Are you ready, guys? 1, 2, 3. Hi guys, I'm Lily and this is LiliGem. Welcome to my tiny studio. You know, I've created many unique sea glass wall art pieces and you can see all on my channel, like this one. White sea glass on a black canvas. So today I'm starting something new, my first collection of large scale sea glass wall art. This piece is 50 centimeters by 50 with the black printed canvas on the base, and I will be using white sea glass to bring it to life. You know, I've collected this sea glass piece from different beaches. As you know, sea glass once started as discarded glass thrown into the ocean, and over time the waves smoothed it into these beautiful pieces. So with this wall art that we want to make it together, I'm giving them a brand new life. I want to start from this part of the canvas. Add a nice earring, but I don't know which earring is the best one. So this is the first one. You know, this is the figure of an African woman. This is the face, and I want to add the hair. And here for the earring, I don't know which one is the best. This is the first one. This is the second one. And here's the third. thank you for joining me. This is the artwork that I've created using sea glass, white sea glass, on a black canvas. Don't forget to check my other videos and let me know in the comments what should I create for the second part of this series. I truly appreciate your support. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed my artwork. Love you guys and take care of yourself.